Columbus, Florida, on September 10th
Yep.
in 60. This is September 10th. All right, if that's not odd enough. It's very.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued an extreme wind warning for western Collier County in southwestern Florida, west central Henry County in southern Florida, until 5:30 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., surface observations indicated extreme winds of over 120 miles an hour, associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Irma, were moving onshore over Marshall Island, or near Naples, moving north at 15 miles an hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Locations in Texas include Naples, Marshall Island, Choctawhatnee, Santa Maria, and Golden Gate Estates. Take cover now. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching and get to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life. The safest place to be in a major landfalling hurricane is in a reinforced interior room away from windows. Get under a table or other piece of sturdy furniture. Use mattresses, blankets, or pillows to cover your head and body. Remain in place through the passage of these life-threatening conditions. Repeating, an extreme wind warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the
And the Wilma and the Irma both hitting the same spot isn't kind of a little crazy as it stands.